My name is Amin Bara,
I'm Rohan Patel.
and our presentation is on the testing station. So this first video shows that when the puck is of correct height, it will go up, be tested, and then exported down the top ramp. This video shows when the puck is of incorrect height, it will go up, be tested, but then raise back down and then exported into the bottom ramp.
So this is a step displacement diagram for the testing station. You can see over here there is a steps line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As well as on our left side there is a actuator name, pusher cylinder, elevators and the slider. We have three different actuators in our testing stand. So on a initial condition there is a part AV sensor, IP2 and before sensor must be present at for the movement of the elevator. Over here there is a valve condition. 1M, 2M1, 1M1, 1M2. This is the valve signals that when the valve is on a 1 condition or a 0 condition. So 2M1 bar is showing the 0 and the 1M1 bar is showing the 1. So when you can see over here there is a one line goes from a retract to extend cylinder called the elevator. When the elevator is going from a 0 to 1, there at that time 1M1 valve is actuated. At that time these three valves are not actuated, so that signals are going to be a 0. So when we move from left side to right side, there are different steps that the cylinders are following, and meanwhile those are actuating. So when the push cylinder is actuated, at the second step when it's a 2M1 valve signal which will be going to 1. At that time elevator is on a 1 condition, so it will be on a height. At that time pusher cylinder goes to extend and give the black puck to on the next station. So this is basically called the step displacement diagram for the perfect puck.
Now this is step displacement diagram for the incorrect pucks, so the black or silver pucks. So this one only has 2 cylinders that are being actuated. We got the push cylinder and we got the elevator. So in the beginning they both start at the bottom in the retracted position. But in step 2 it will be the elevator raises, and it will be there between the times of T1 second and T5 seconds. And this will be in the fully extended while the push cylinder is still retracted. And then step 2, it's still the same position, but then going into step 3 it will be retracting as it sensed it is not the correct height using the B5 sensor. And then at step 3, the push cylinder will extend the puck out and then retract going to step 5. Well, the elevator is now in the retract position. Do you have any questions?
Do the colors signify anything on your graph?
Yes, they do. The blue represents the steps that are the step levels that is at right at that moment. The green represents the movements of the cylinders, and the black represents which positions the cylinders are as extended, retracted, and which cylinder it is.